Hello friends, welcome to Vidya Institute. In this video we will learn how to take input from the user in Java. So for taking the input we will use a thing called scanner class. So scanner class is defined by scanner sc equal to new scanner system.in. So this is a statement, or you can call syntax, for taking input from the user for defining the scanner class. So you have to learn this, and in the next line we will write, for example, we have to take user input in the form of integer. Then we will write int, let's say we have defined it by a, then int a equal to sc.next int, and this, and then the semicolon. So what we have done here is that we have defined a scanner class to take the input from the user, and then we have defined a variable which is an integer form, and we have taken this as a input from the user. So now similarly we can take another variable as well as input. So let's define another integer as b. So also taking this as an input, so in the similar way. So we have taken two integers as an input from the user till now. Now we can perform various operations like multiplying, adding, dividing these variables. So let's do that. So for example, we want to print on the output screen the addition of these two numbers which we have taken as input. So before that we have to define a third variable which is int c, and this is used to store the value of the addition of a and b. So the operation we will perform here is c equal to a plus b. So what is the, here's the operation which is being performed. Now the value of a plus b is stored in a third variable which is an integer as well as we have defined here. And now we will want, as we want to print the addition, so here in the output screen what we will write is, we will write, in place of hello world we will write c. Now listen carefully that here we won't use double quote because here we are printing a variable, not a string. That is, we are not printing any text, we are printing a variable. So we will directly write c here, and let me put it on the top. It's by mistake here, it should be after the main class. The main method should be after the main class, then only all of the operative part should be there. So let's try to run this program by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus F10. So as you can see on the bottom, it's being loaded. Yes. So let's first of all say give 4 as an input for A and 7 as an input for B. Now you can see that on the console 11 is printed as output. So our addition was performed successfully. So that was about our today's class on how to take an input from the user. Apart from this, in this lecture we have used integer as a data type, but you can take other data types as well as an input like float, string, long, double. There are many other data types as well which could be taken as input. So we will learn about them in the upcoming classes. So I hope you understood today's lecture, and thanks for watching, and do subscribe our YouTube channel for upcoming videos of the Java fundamental course updates.